PC1, always reliable. In 2022, the world wrapped up a tumultuous and challenging economic, social, and geopolitical. Under the guidance of the board of directors, creativity, dedication, and professionalism of its employees, PC1 has affirmed its brand as a prestigious multi-industry economic group in Vietnam in the fields of energy investment, EPC contractor, residential real estate and industrial park, mining and mineral processing, electrical power construction, industrial production, material and commercial, and other services. Energy investment. With 10 renewable power plants including wind and hydropower plants in Vietnam, until the end of 2022, PC1 supplied 3.7 billion kilowatts of clean energy on the national grid, reducing 2.8 million tons of CO2 equivalent to 100 million trees. 400 professionals, engineers, and technicians in the Energy Investment Board are continuing to research and invest in new types of energy, such as offshore wind, solar rooftop, hydrogen, biomass, and a variety of energies. Operation managed actively. Power plants repaired and maintained safely, reliably, and efficiently. Especially in 2022, commercial electricity output, availability of hydropower equipment is 99.52%. Availability of wind power equipment is 96.3%. Objective to 2030, PC1 becomes a reputable energy investor, operates 1,000 megawatts of clean energy on the national grid, and reduces an average of 3 million tons of CO2 emission annually. EPC contractor. EPC board affirms to be a professional general contractor with international standards for project management, leading technology, a team of highly professional and experienced personnel that has successfully designed and constructed a robotic submarine cable system. In 2022, with creativity and innovative spirit, EPC board successfully implemented the nearshore wind power project Tan Phu Dong 1 with 24 turbines and a capacity of 100 megawatts in record time. 8 months including design, construction, installation, and successful operation. These main business activities of the EPC board are highly appreciated by customers such as configuration design and installation of automatic control equipment for substation, high voltage and super high voltage, supply electrical equipment, synchronous technology solutions for smart grids and smart technology infrastructure of industrial parks. Residential real estate and industrial park. After 15 years of dedication and creativity, Residential Real Estate Board has provided thousands of comfortable, friendly, and sustainable apartments in Hanoi. In the next stage of development, PC1's strategic objectives is to build new green and eco-friendly industrial park model projects, being an ideal high-tech industry, intelligent logistics connecting the global supply chain, high-quality urban service associated with training and innovation centers. In 2022, by flexibility, capability, and international reputation, PC1 successfully carried out mergers and acquisition of Nomura Haiphong and Nomura Holding Japan. NHIZ is a representative industrial park which has established a reputation in Vietnam for many years. It satisfies the customer needs of many global economic groups, especially from Japan and USA, contributes to effectively attracting FDI capital. This is a successful footprint proving the art of negotiating and logical thinking of the board of directors. Strategic cooperation with Western Pacific in industrial park projects, large logistic infrastructure in the northern provinces. Mining and mineral processing. Cao Bang, the cradle of Vietnam's revolutionary movements, not being blessed by nature in terms of hydrology and mineral resources. With the creativity, persistence, and great efforts of PC1 employees who succeeded in creating efficient hydroelectric ladders. In 2022, continue to remark the achievement of PC1's persistence. A large-scale, modern, and eco-friendly nickel factory has been formed, turning a barren land with poor mineral reserves into products with high export value, contributing to the annual budget 500 billion VND in taxes, and creating hundreds of jobs for local workers. Power construction. PC1 is still maintaining its development rhythm. 165 projects is the number of high-voltage power projects deployed across the country in 2022. PC1 affirms the outstanding capacity, In 2022, PC1 was the main contractor of Vietnam's first 220 kV sea crossing transmission line project to bring electricity to Phu Quoc Island. It satisfies the needs of socio-economic development in this special economic zone. In the last months of the year, important projects of Vietnam's electric industry were completed and energized. 500 kV Long Thanh Substation, Chi Lang Xuang Ha, Tu Le, and Hue, 4 underground cables. In 2022, PC1 has the highest value of new power construction and installation contracts ever, thereby ensuring the construction plan in 2023. Besides, the Power Contraction Board focuses on expansion and development to become the general contractor for green industrial park infrastructure, inland waterway port, and industrial factory. Power Construction Board continuously restructures and scales up the member companies, self-employed in the regional market segment, committed and shared responsibility of the leader, affirming the leading position in the power construction industry, accompanying the development. Industrial Production. Industrial Production Board continuously affirms positions as the leading in Vietnam, specialized in designing and manufacturing steel power poles production for high and ultra-high voltage transmission grids. Steel poles, especially pipe towers, were first successfully made and used in the domestic ultra-high voltage grid. Emphasizing the reputation and high-quality product, in July 2022, a shipment of telecommunication poles was exported to Guam, USA, and continuously prepared new orders to be exported to the Australian market towards the 50th anniversary of Vietnam-Australia diplomatic relations. All traditional production systems at PC1's factories have been converted to modern automation systems. The application of a professional management process, PC1 meets the more accurate standards and absolute confidence of customers. Material and commercial business. In the field of commercial business in 2022, PC1 has successfully traded and handed over to customers a volume of nearly 100,000 tons of general commercial products, including construction steel, billet, and other industrial production material. Business Assurance Division. In 2022, PC1 successfully operated a restructuring organization following the group model along with its human resource and culture development strategy. Contributing to the success of PC1 are the efforts and dedication of the Business Assurance Division, including 10 specialized units with the mission of ensuring high-quality capacity, financial strength and availability, new processes and technologies in operation, compliance and risk management. In the new strategy, PC1 not only improves its internal capacity, but also is significantly investing in digital transformation, one of the driving forces for development. In 2022, PC1 concentrated resources on implementing the corporate-wide digital transformation strategy, vision and strategic goals of digital economy development to 2025 with a vision to 2030 with projects of international stature. Core value. Create success. 2022, a year full of unfavorable changes for Vietnam and the world. However, the brand foundation of PC1 has continuously affirmed the initiative, creativity, and speed of PC1 people. Business results are impressive. PC1 revenue is 8,328 billion VND. PC1 operating profit is 520 billion VND. Remitted 512 billion VND to the state budget. Based on those positive results, PC1 confidently maintains the growth rate and sets a growth goal of 15% in 2023 compared to 2022. In 2022, PC1 has received many prestigious awards. Top 50 Vietnam Best Profitable, Top 50 Best Vietnamese Listed Companies for the 3rd time in a row, Top 500 Fastest Growing Enterprises, Top 500 Biggest Enterprise in Vietnam for the 8th time in a row, Typical Renewable Energy Project of the Year awarded by IJ Global, HR Asia Best Companies to Work For in Asia in 2022. Strategic cooperation with many major domestic and international partners in all areas, such as Nomura Holdings, Renova, TEPCO, BIM Group, TTC Group, ADB Bank, HSBC, Vietcom Bank, Viet In Bank, BIDV, Savills Vietnam, KPMG, FPT, Viettel, Vestas, Goldwind, DSV Panalpina, VIDTI, Siemens, Hitachi. Sustainable Development Goals committed to environmental protection by PC1. Produce and supply clean electricity without carbon emissions. Produce and trade low-carbon products. Pioneer in investing in the application of ecological technology and environmental protection. Responsibility develops the community for a green and prosperous Vietnam. PC1 contributes great value to carry out meaningful activities. Renovate residential roads in Hung Hoa District, Quang Tri Province. Renovate residential roads in Hoa An District, Cao Bang Province. Build schools in Bao Lac District, Cao Bang Province. Hand over 50 gratitude houses in Cao Bang Province. Support to the Fund for the Poor in Hanoi, and many other activities across the country. In the PC1 community, there are some difficult situations. The board of directors and trade union, with the care, encouragement, and practical gifts, have helped the employees to partly overcome difficulties and successfully complete the assigned tasks. Not only making better products, PC1 creates better lives every day. PC1 community. Each product is the crystallization of wisdom through thousands of hours of labor. Each project is a masterpiece from a breakthrough idea. Nearly 2,000 highly qualified employees of PC1 bring customers different values. Every source of motivation starts from a desire to conquer, and no peak is absolute. At PC1, we create and work together to conquer every peak, affirm the brand of prosperity, the leading position for sustainable development, and enjoy happiness, which is the achievement we have created. We are PC1. Humane and dedicated, professional and punctual, innovation and technology, responsibility and dedication. PC1, always reliable.